Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our honorable class teacher, my lovely classmate, welcome you all in our presentation class. Today is our second presentation. Our presentation topic is about the person I like most. I am a student. My name is Masma Khatun. I read in class 9. I love all my family members, but the loveliest of all is my mother. She is a very honest man. I love her most in our family. I rather worship her. She is the nearest, dearest, and closest to me from in my birth. She is always in my heart. She is the most beautiful to me in our family. She is hardworking, dutiful, and dignified. She acts out of early enough in the morning. She cleans the kitchen, makes our breakfast, cooks the food, and keeps our house neat and clean. She does all the domestic chores cheerfully. The special quality of my mother, for which she is lovable to all, is her always wearing a smiling face. She takes care of my study and teach me to be devoted, honest, and modest. My mother influence on my character is great. I learned from my mother to respect my teacher, elder, and neighbor. She has taught me to be disciplined, dutiful, and kind to all. She is my friend. I didn't die. I am proud of my mother. I pray to Allah to let her live a long, happy life. Thank you all to hear my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.